Okay, so in our Python project, let's create a new script, Python file, and let's name it Arithmetic operations. In our script, I will define two variables, x equals 10, y equals 2. And in the rest part, I will print the output from all arithmetic operations that we have just discussed. Print x plus y, print x minus y, print x and y, print x is divided by y, print x modulo y, print x to the power of y, and floor division. Okay, so let's try to run our script. Okay, so we can see that in our script there is an error because instead of using equal operator, I use minus operator, so let's correct it. And try to run it again. Okay, now our script have run successfully without any errors, and we can see the output for all our arithmetic operation. So x plus y is equal 12, x minus y is equal 8, x and y is equal 10, x divided by y is equal 5, x modulo y is equal 0, x to the power of y is equal 100, and floor division is equal 5.